Welcome to Login page. Here you can either log in using your Facebook account if you're already registered in Boosterberg, or create a new account. Let's start with creating a new account. Click the Create an Account, and you'll be taken to the Sign Up page. Here, fill in your agency details, business name, business phone, company email. Next, click on Register by connecting your Facebook account. The Facebook login page will open. After signing in, the Facebook authentication window will appear. Click Edit Previous Settings to manage the pages Boosterberg will have access to. You can opt in to current pages only, or opt in to all current and future pages. This is recommended if you plan to work with more pages in the future, as it will sync them automatically. The same applies to businesses and Instagram accounts. Once you've reviewed Boosterberg's access request, click Save, and your Boosterberg account is created. Just wait a moment until your account is set up. And your setup is done. Now, when you sign out and return to the login page, you'll see your Facebook profile photo, and you can easily log in by clicking Continue As your name. If you need to log in with a different Facebook account, click Switch Account. This will take you back to the Facebook authentication window, where you can log into another account.